Hey y'all. Hey y'all, it's your boy Scout, back at y'all again, bringing you your series on how to grow on a budgie, first off, and secondly, how to do it in confined spaces with just a few tents, 2-3 tents, even one if you have to do it that way. Moved out here from Carolina to be able to do this stuff legally, so I'm doing it legally and I'm showing y'all what I know. And a lot of the stuff I'm showing you guys are for people on the East Coast and other places in the country that still can't do this legally. It's a shame. It's medicine. Okay, here we go. What I'm doing is I have one auto seed that came in when I bought my seeds from Attitude. I was originally ordering the Rosetta Stone XX from Brothers Grimm Seeds. Mr. Soul, one of the best breeders in the world. But I got a bunch of giveaway free seeds from Attitude. They gave me some great ones. They gave me some Red Diesel. They gave me Purple Haze. They gave me this Gorilla. But I got 30-some seeds because it was their birthday. Check them out on their birthday, Attitude Seeds. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've had this seed going about 5 days in deep water culture. Okay. I want to pull it out and go ahead and mix it in with my super soil. So what we're using is Nature's Living Soil. Okay, it is, and also we're using Bigfoot concentrate. The Nature's Living Soil, I specifically ordered the auto flowering type. It was a little bit more expensive, but the auto flowering type is supposed to be specifically engineered for auto flower seeds. I don't grow auto flower seeds, but this deal is you pour this in with a certain amount of potting soil and then add water to it, and that's the end of it. Alright, we're going to try that out and we'll see how that goes. Once I mix it, it seemed a little too dense for me. Okay, so I like to aerate my soils out a little bit with some vermiculite, some hydrogen especially, and everybody's fun stuff. Actually, that one may not be open. Okay, so hit stop.